Hi, and welcome back to Encrypted. Today we're going to be talking about a pool called Herominers and a coin called Scala. We're going to be discussing what features Herominers offers their users, as well as Scala Wallet and network fees. Herominers has an extremely powerful API that will not only include your estimated coins, but also your profit, with detailed information about your current miner and share submissions. If you have followed or watched my other videos and used our plan, you'll soon see why Herominers is so powerful. Let's head over to Scala's homepage and download a wallet and their miner called XLARig. Scala uses a fork of the Monero algorithm randomx. It's called Panthera. It's optimized for mobile mining and ARM-based chips. To me, this makes Scala worth mining. I love the idea that validators or miners can just validate blocks and earn rewards on their phone. With the miner and wallet installed, we are going to head back to Herominers and choose Scala and follow their instructions to start mining. Even when you've become confident in your ability to set up a miner, always keep the tutorial or guide open for a specific pool, because sometimes there are small differences, and those small errors can prevent the configuration from working properly. Now, with the miner running and Herominers open, let's add our address to the pool and see if we can get some data on our current progress. As you can see, Herominers offers so many statistics. If we compare our plant to Herominers, we can get a real feel for how minimal our plant's API is. There's nothing wrong with a simple API. I enjoy both APIs and pools, but to me, Herominer just seems to have taken a few steps more than most pools. This won't affect your mining in any way, so it's not that important. It's just a really nice feature of this pool. You won't find many pools out there like Herominers. I provided links to Scala's homepage, XLA Miner, the Scala Wallet, and Herominers in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, stay encrypted.